A startup called HomeBoosts is launching a new app aimed at helping people reduce their utility bills, and it does it by giving you clear insights into where you're using the most energy and where you can cut back. The core of the app analyzes your home's layout, energy usage patterns, and even local climate data to highlight specific areas where you can save money, whether that's reducing heating and cooling waste, optimizing appliance use, or sealing drops that are costing you on winter bills. Instead of just giving generic tips, HomeBoosts provides location-specific recommendations tailored to your house or apartment, making it easier to take action rather than guess where your energy dollars are going. The app also partners with local utilities and service providers, so in some regions, it can show real offers, rebates, and upgrades that can immediately lower your costs, like better insulation, smart thermostats, or efficient appliances. For people who want to get serious about cutting expenses but don't know where to start, this could turn abstract energy advice into real, personalized action steps that actually save cash. Utility bills can feel like a mystery. You pay them, but understanding why they're so high isn't always clear. Tools like HomeBoosts, which translate data into practical guidance, could genuinely help people save money. If the app's recommendations are accurate and actionable, this could be one of the easiest ways for everyday households to understand their energy use and take control of their bills.